I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 lagging and slow problem. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Now you will need to come down here, then go to search, then search for settings, then open settings, then come to privacy. Then you will see here Windows permission, then app permissions. So we are going to start with Windows permission. So you are going to go to general, then you need to turn off these settings here, the one that you do not use. So we do not need these ones, so you are just going to turn them off. Then this one for speech, you can turn it off if you do not use it. Linking and typing personalization, then come to this option. You need to turn this off because they are making our computer to slow down. Then activity history, so this one you can just leave it as it is. Then once you have done with that, we are going to come to app permission. So you need to turn off this one if you do not use them. You can just turn them off. Then camera, if you do not use camera, just turn it off. Then microphone, you need to turn them off if you do not use. Then you will just scroll down and turn all these off, the one that you do not use. And when it comes to background apps, these are the apps that run on the background, so you need to turn this off. These are the apps that were running on the background, so you need to turn them off. Then once you finish that, you will now close settings. Then you will come to your taskbar, then to your Windows icon, then right click on it, then go to task manager, then you will go to startup. Then you are going to see the programs and apps that always run on the background whenever you open your computer. So they always make your computer to lag and to slow down. So you are going to see their status here, the list, the name and the status. So as you can see, BlueStack is enabled. This will cause your computer to slow down, so you can just select it, then disable down here. Then you can choose another one which you do not want to start up whenever you are opening your computer. So you just scroll down. Then as you can see, this one Muse, just click on it, then disable. Then scroll down, then WinScribe, then disable. So on your part, you can disable the one that you do not want to start up whenever you are opening your computer, which may lead to lagging of your PC. So once you've done that, you will close this one. Then you will come to your taskbar, then go to search, then search for control panel. Then open control panel. Then come to view by, then select large icons. Then you will scroll down and come to programs and features. Then once you are here, you are going to see the sizes of these programs here and the ones that you are using. So let's say, for example, I'll just check the one with the largest size, like this one, Descript. So if you do not use, just click on it, then uninstall. Then you will click OK. Only if you do not use them. Then I can see this one, which is 1.04 GB, and I do not use this, so I'll just click on it. Then I click on uninstall at the top there. Then yes. Then this program will be removed, and on your part, you can remove any other program that you do not use and has consumed a lot of space in your computer. So by doing so, you'll be able to fix lagging and slow problem on your Windows 11 or on your PC. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.